Hey, it's Howds for about my fourth video. And today I'm going to be doing another review on another gun. This is not an airsoft gun though. It is a new gun that I got about 2 days ago. And this is what it does. This is all it does. Just makes sound. So you can buy this gun basically wherever you want. I got it from the Clark County Fair. If you live in Nevada, it's gonna be somewhere over there. So if you ever go to that place, they'll have these guns at the selling place where you can buy stuff. And so there are gonna be these parts that I'm gonna show you. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the parts right now. So the parts that I have on this gun. Okay, so let me get ready for a sec and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the gun itself. I took all the pieces off and this is what it looks like by itself right here. Still does the same thing. This is the removable stock that you can remove. This piece broke off, so I had to glue it, but it didn't work, so I had to tape it, and that didn't work, so it's stuck now. But that's okay. This is the string that you can hold it on, so you don't have to carry it everywhere just with your hands. Scope that I showed you. Silencer that doesn't work. It's just a prop. A flashlight that actually does work, which I'm surprised of. And also a carrying handle. For a reason. So it's about 6 parts. 6 parts all together. So, and plus the gun. So yeah. So if you want to get this, just go, I think, to Walmart, Clark County Fair, which happened like last Saturday. So last Saturday it was, so if you want to go to the Clark County Fair, it's on April 11th. And April 11th is on my sister's birthday, which is awesome because we celebrated it on there. And we had the cake yesterday because we couldn't get a cake at the Clark County Fair. So, but we did have a feast there to celebrate it. Also, so we can also, so you can, you might be able to get it at Walmart if you're lucky. Not this exact gun, but another one of these guns. So if you want to, and if you do get one of these guns at the Clark County Fair or anywhere else, it's gonna come with all the pieces in place, like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. like that. And if you want to put them on, then they're railing bars like actual guns. Airsoft guns and all that. And then the stock goes on here. It's removable, as you saw. But mine is kind of wobbly, since I did say mine did kind of break. But I'm going to put some tape on it after this video. So, yeah. And I think I might be going to Zion National Park. So that'll be fun. But I've gone there a ton of times, so it's gonna be awesome. Yay! So this gun is pretty cool. If you buy it, it's about $15 at the Clark County Fair. So if you want to buy it, go ahead if you have $15. And yeah. And you can also mix match the thing right here, so you can take that off and that, leave that over there, and you can also do it like this, so you have the flashlight on the bottom. And if you want to be stupid, then you can put that right there, so you can hold it like that. But I would just keep it normal. Unless you don't want that, then you can just keep it like that. But if you do want it, then I'll just keep it normal. So yeah. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all. Whoops. I will see you all later.